tell you something a little embarrassing. Last month, I was leaving my neighbor's house after a coffee, and the goodbye took almost 5 minutes.
5 minutes? For a goodbye?
5 minutes. We said goodbye at the table, then we said goodbye again at the door, then we walked outside together, still talking, and said goodbye a third time on the sidewalk.
Oh no, I know exactly what you mean. It is like your body wants to leave, but your mouth keeps finding one more thing to say.
Exactly. And the whole time, I kept thinking, why is this so hard? It is just one small sentence. Goodbye. That's it.
But it never feels small in the moment, does it?
No, it really does not. And here's the funny part. I actually didn't know the right words to use. I just kept repeating the same phrase over and over because I was nervous I would sound rude if I left too quickly.
Honestly, Jack, that happens to so many English learners. I remember feeling that exact panic. Do I say goodbye, or see you later, or take care? Which one is polite? Which one sounds natural?
That is such a good question, Rose, and it is exactly why we are talking about this today.
So welcome everyone to Living English Podcast.
We are so glad you're here with us today.
If this is your first time listening, we are Jack and Rose, and every episode we take a real everyday moment in English and we practice it together, out loud, like real friends talking.
And today's moment is one that happens to every single one of us almost every single day, saying goodbye.
It sounds simple, but as you just heard, it is full of little decisions. How formal should you be? How long should the goodbye last? What do you say to a close friend versus a stranger versus your boss?
By the end of this episode, you will know exactly what to say when you are leaving a party, ending a phone call, saying goodbye to a coworker, or even saying a longer, more emotional goodbye to someone you love.
And you will feel calm doing it instead of nervous.
If you enjoy learning this way, with real conversations instead of boring grammar rules, it would truly mean a lot to us if you hit subscribe. It helps more learners find these episodes, and it helps us keep making them for you.
Okay, Jack, so before we jump into the roleplay, let's talk about why goodbyes feel so tricky in the first place.
Sure. So here's the first thing I want every learner to hear. This feeling you have, this small panic about how to end a conversation, it is completely normal. Even native speakers feel it.
Really? Even native speakers?
Even native speakers. We have a name for it in English, actually. We call it the long goodbye, when people keep talking near the door instead of actually leaving.
Oh, that makes me feel so much better. I always thought it was just a language problem.
Not at all. It is a human problem. But here's the good news. In English, there is a whole toolbox of goodbye phrases, and once you know a few of them, you can match your words to the moment, and it stops feeling scary.
So it's not about memorizing one perfect sentence.
Exactly. It's about knowing a few good options and picking the right one for the right situation. A quick goodbye at the office is different from a goodbye with your best friend at the airport.
That makes sense. Okay, I'm ready. Let's actually hear this in action. Should we do a role play?
Let's do it. I'll set the scene. Rose, imagine we are at a dinner party and it's getting late.
Okay, I'm ready, Jack. Let's go.
Wow, look at the time. I think I should probably get going.
Already? The night is still young, Jack.
I know, but I have an early morning tomorrow. This was so much fun though, honestly.
It really was. I am glad you came.
Me too. Thank you so much for having me. Everything was wonderful.
Of course, anytime. Let me walk you to the door.
You do not have to do that.
I want to. It is no trouble at all.
That's so kind of you, Rose. Okay, well, this was great. We should do this again soon.
Definitely. I will text you next week and we can plan something.
Sounds good. Take care, okay?
You too. Drive safe.
I will. Bye, Rose.
Bye, Jack. Thanks for coming.
Okay, so stepping out of the role play for a second, did you notice how many small steps happen before the actual goodbye?
I did. There was the announcement that you are leaving, then the thank you, then the walk to the door, then the plan to meet again, and only then the final goodbye.
Right, and in English, that pattern is actually very normal. It's called a leave-taking sequence. It's a series of small, polite steps that soften the ending, so it does not feel sudden or rude.
I love that. It is like a soft landing instead of a hard stop.
That is a great way to put it, Rose.
Okay, let's try a different situation now. What about ending a phone call? That feels different to me.
It really is different because you cannot walk someone to the door on the phone.
Right, so how do people signal that the call is ending?
Great question. Let's act it out. I will call you and you can play yourself, just answering the phone.
Okay, ready.
Hey Rose, it's Jack.
Hi, Jack. What's up?
I just wanted to check about tomorrow's plan, but actually I think I got my answer already. I should probably let you go though. I know you're busy.
Oh, it's okay. I have a few minutes. But yeah, I should get back to work soon too.
All right, well thanks for chatting. I will see you tomorrow then.
Sounds good. Talk soon.
Talk soon. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Now notice something there. I said I should probably let you go. That phrase is so common on the phone in English.
It confused me the first time I heard it. I thought, let me go? Go where? I'm sitting on my couch.
That is such a fair reaction, but it does not mean physically go anywhere. It simply means I do not want to take up more of your time.
Oh, that makes so much more sense now. It is a polite way of ending the call without seeming like you want to escape.
Exactly. It protects the other person's time, and it feels considerate, not cold.
Let's try one more, Jack. What about saying goodbye at work? That always feels stiff to me, like I have to be extra formal.
It does not have to be stiff, but yes, it is usually a little more professional. Let's act this one out too. I will be your coworker leaving the office at the end of the day.
Okay, go ahead.
All right, I am heading out for the day. Have a good evening, Rose.
You too, Jack. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Oh, and good luck with that presentation.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that.
No problem. Take it easy.
You too. Bye.
Bye now.
Okay, that felt so much shorter than the party goodbye.
It is, and that is actually one of the biggest lessons here. Workplace goodbyes tend to be quick, warm, but efficient. You do not need a long emotional exit, just a friendly line or two.
That is honestly a relief to hear, because I always felt like I had to say something bigger.
Not at all. In fact, in a lot of English-speaking workplaces, a short, natural goodbye is seen as confident, not cold.
Okay, now I am curious about the opposite. What about a really emotional goodbye, like saying goodbye to someone at the airport, someone you might not see for a long time?
Oh, that one is close to my heart. Let's do that one next. All right, Rose, picture this. I am dropping you off at the airport, and you are flying home after visiting for 2 weeks.
Okay, I am ready. This one might actually make me a little emotional.
I cannot believe you're actually leaving. These 2 weeks went by so fast.
I know. I really do not want to go.
I am gonna miss you so much, Rose.
I am going to miss you too, Jack. This was such a special trip.
It really was. Text me the second you land, okay? I want to know you got there safe.
I promise I will. And thank you for everything, seriously. For picking me up, for showing me around, all of it.
Of course. That is what friends do. Come here, one more hug before you go.
Okay, I have to go now or I will start crying at the gate.
Go, before you miss your flight. Safe travels, Rose.
Thank you, Jack. I will see you soon, I promise.
I will hold you to that. Bye for now.
Bye for now.
Okay, stepping outside the story again. Did you catch that phrase at the end? Bye for now?
I did. It felt softer than just bye.
It is, and that is on purpose. Bye for now suggests this is not a final ending. It is a pause. You will see this person again. It carries hope inside it.
I love that. It's such a small phrase, but it changes the whole feeling of the goodbye.
Exactly. And that brings us to something really important. Let's slow down now and actually teach these key phrases clearly one by one.
Yes, let's do it. I am ready to be a student now.
Okay, phrase number 1. I should get going. This means I need to leave now, usually because of time or another plan. It is casual and very common.
Can you give an example, Jack?
Sure. It's getting late. I should get going.
Say it with me, everyone. I should get going.
Nice. Think of it like a gentle warning light. It tells people, hey, my time here is almost finished, before you actually stand up.
That is such a helpful picture. Okay, phrase number 2, please.
Phrase 2, I should let you go. We heard this on the phone call earlier. It means I do not want to take up more of your time, so I am ending the conversation politely.
And an example?
You sound busy. I should let you go. We can talk more later.
Say it with me, everyone. I should let you go.
And here is a fun way to remember it. Imagine you are holding someone's hand during the chat, and instead of dropping it suddenly, you gently let go. That is the feeling.
Oh, I really like that image. Okay, what is number 3?
Number 3, take care. This is a warm, caring way to say goodbye. It shows you genuinely want the other person to be safe and well.
Example, please.
It was so good seeing you. Take care and text me soon.
Say it with me, everyone. Take care.
Phrase number 4, catch you later. This is very casual, mostly used with friends or people your own age. It means, I will see you again soon. No big deal.
So I probably would not say this to my boss.
Haha, correct. Probably not to your boss. But with a close friend, it is perfect. For example, all right, I'm heading out. Catch you later.
Say it with me, everyone. Catch you later.
Think of it almost like tossing a ball to someone and saying, I will catch this conversation again later.
That is a really fun comparison. Okay, phrase 5.
Phrase 5, safe travels. This is what I said to you at the airport. You use it when someone is about to go on a trip, a flight, a drive, anything with travel involved.
Example, please.
Enjoy your vacation and safe travels.
Say it with me, everyone. Safe travels.
Okay, phrase 6, bye for now. We already touched on this one, but let's make it official. It signals a goodbye that is temporary, not final, and often carries warmth or emotion.
Example, please.
This is not really goodbye. It is just bye for now.
Say it with me, everyone. Bye for now.
I like to picture a little pause button, not a stop button. The relationship keeps going, you are just pressing pause for a while.
Okay, Jack, I think we need at least a couple more, because I have heard people say, see you around too. What does that one mean? Great catch. Phrase 7, see you around.
This is used when you are not sure exactly when you will see the person again, but you probably will, at some point, in the same area or a social circle.
So it is a little more open-ended.
Exactly. For example, imagine you meet someone briefly at a coffee shop that you often visit. You might say, well, I have to head out, but I'm sure I'll see you around.
Say it with me, everyone. See you around.
Think of it like a small circle you both walk in. You are not making plans, but your paths will probably cross again naturally.
Okay, one more, Jack. What is a good, more formal option for professional situations, like meeting a client?
Perfect timing. Phrase 8, it was a pleasure meeting you. This is polite, warm, and appropriate for professional or first-time meetings.
Example, please.
Thank you so much for your time today. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Say it with me, everyone. It was a pleasure meeting you.
And a quick tip here. This phrase works beautifully with a handshake or a warm smile, and it leaves a really strong, respectful final impression.
I love that one, Jack. That feels very useful for interviews or business meetings.
All right, one final phrase to round things out, since this topic is so rich. Phrase 9, until next time.
Oh, I really like the sound of that one.
It has a nice warmth to it, doesn't it? It is often used for regular meetups, like a class, a group, or even at the end of a podcast episode.
Give us an example, Jack.
Well, actually, we say something similar at the end of every episode of this podcast. Something like, thanks for listening. Until next time.
Say it with me, everyone. Until next time.
You can picture it like a bookmark in a good story. You are not finishing the book. You are just marking your place until you come back to it.
That is such a beautiful way to end a lesson, Jack, honestly.
Thank you, Rose. So now we have 9 solid phrases ready to use in real life, from casual to formal, from quick to emotional.
I think it is time to put them all together and practice them once more in a fresh little scene.
Agreed. Let's do a shorter role play. And this time, listeners, try saying the goodbye lines along with us, out loud.
Yes, your turn to practice. Get ready.
Okay, imagine this. We just finished a video call for work, and now we are wrapping it up.
Got it. I'll start. All right. I think that covers everything for the meeting today.
Agreed. Thanks for organizing this, Rose. It was really helpful.
Of course. I should probably let you go. I know you have another call soon.
You're right, I do. It was a pleasure meeting with you today.
Likewise. Have a great rest of your day.
You too. Talk soon.
Talk soon. Bye, Jack.
Bye, Rose. Okay, listeners, now it is your turn. Pause here for a second and try saying goodbye the same way, using one of the phrases we just practiced.
Take your time. There's no rush. Even just whispering it counts.
Great job. Now, let's try one more, a casual one this time, saying bye to a friend after a walk in the park.
Okay, ready.
That walk was so nice. Thanks for inviting me.
Anytime. We should do this again soon.
Definitely. All right, I should get going. My dog is probably waiting by the door.
Go take care of your dog. Catch you later, Jack.
Catch you later. Take care, Rose.
You too. Bye.
See how different that felt from the work call? Same goal, saying goodbye, but a completely different tone.
This is such a great point to pause and recap everything we have covered today, Jack.
Let's do it. So today, our topic was saying goodbye in English, in real, natural, everyday situations.
We practiced 4 different scenes: a party goodbye with all those small, polite steps,
A phone call goodbye, where we learned the phrase, I should let you go.
a workplace goodbye, short, warm, and professional,
And an emotional airport goodbye, where we learned, bye for now.
And then we learned 9 full phrases. Let's say them one more time together, everyone, so they really stick.
I should get going.
I should let you go.
Take care.
Catch you later.
Safe travels.
Bye for now.
See you around.
It was a pleasure meeting you.
And until next time.
I feel like I could use every single one of those already, Jack.
That is exactly the goal. Now you have options, so you can match your goodbye to the moment instead of freezing up and repeating the same nervous phrase, like I did with my neighbor.
Poor 5-minute goodbye, Jack.
Exactly. We all have been there.
Okay, now it is time for our question of the day, and I really love this one.
Here it is. What is a goodbye phrase in English that you already feel comfortable using, and is there one from today that felt brand new to you?
I would really love for you to share your answer in the comments below.
And honestly, do not worry about getting it perfect. Even writing one sentence in English is real practice, and it helps.
Plus, when you read other learners' comments, you often realize you are not the only one who feels nervous about this stuff.
That is such a good point, Rose. This whole community is learning together, one small step at a time.
So please, take 30 seconds and share your answer. It might genuinely help someone else feel less alone today.
We read every comment we can, and it truly means a lot to us when you take that extra moment to write something.
All right, Jack, I think it is time to wrap up this episode.
I think you're right, but let's do it properly, using what we just learned.
So, to everyone listening, thank you so much for spending this time with us today.
However you are feeling about your English right now, nervous, hopeful, tired, proud, we want you to know you are actually making real progress just by showing up and listening today.
Every phrase you repeated out loud, every role play you practiced along with us, that is real learning happening, even if it does not feel like it yet.
And remember, goodbyes do not have to be scary anymore. You now have 9 natural, real phrases ready to use in almost any situation.
From a quick catch you later with a friend, to a warm take care with a coworker, to a heartfelt bye for now with someone you love.
You are ready.
You really are. And if this episode helped you even a little, please consider subscribing to Living English Podcast so you never miss a new episode.
It really does help us keep creating these conversations for you, and we are so grateful for every single listener.
Well, Rose, I suppose it is time for us to practice what we just taught.
I suppose it is. All right, everyone. Thank you again for listening today.
We hope to see you very soon for another real conversation.
Until then, take care of yourselves and keep practicing your English, one small goodbye at a time.
Until next time, everyone.
Bye for now.